So based on what we've done so far, you should know how to install the different components we need to make the actual robot program in Java. Now, Java is a little particular, and it can be very easy to make mistakes. So it's often a good idea to use something besides TextEdit. So we are going to use, or at least I'm going to use in my videos, and if you want to follow along, it'd probably be a good idea to use the same thing, is IntelliJ, which is made by JetBrains. So you can type up JetBrains into Google, or you can type in IntelliJ, although Google know what I meant, and that will take you here, or here, depending on what you typed in. And we can see if we go to IDEs up here, IntelliJ IDEA. So if you're at the right place, it should look like this. Well, they change the design every once in a while, so this is what it looks like right now, but it should say IntelliJ, obviously, and it should be on JetBrains' site. So if you go to download, you can see here the two different versions. They have the Ultimate Edition, which is what I have, which is not free. Well, if you're a student or in education, you can get a free copy of it. There's also the Community Edition that anybody can use for free. There's nothing in particular that we're going to need from the Ultimate Edition for what we're going to do with our robots, though. So the Community Edition is absolutely fine if you can't obtain the Ultimate Edition. So whichever one you choose should be fine. Once it's installed, it should look something like this. Although the graphics may change a little bit, but it should still look roughly the same. The basic interface, you know, and some of that may be updated here or there, but once we get into the actual content, it should look the same. And you may have to choose your SDK and go and find it. If it's the first time you've used it, it'll probably auto-find it for you, but if not, you can pretty easily find it underneath Library, Java Virtual Machines 1.6.0, Contents Home. Once you push OK, none of this really is needed for what we're going to do, so you can just kind of click through all of it. If we do Create Project from Template, Java Hello World, and we'll just leave this as untitled for right now. And regardless of what version you have, it should look more or less like this.